Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create halo accessories in Vroid Studio. So let's start. First let's go to hair editor. Here I have loaded a model, and then go to add freehand group and add one. Next let's get a bit closer to the head. Go to the hair parameters, actually guide parameters, sorry, and select offset and just max it out. Then select the little dots and put them in this position, sort of like going around the head but sort of not, and making sure that it's long. And make sure that it's outside the head as well. Sort of like this. Make sure that at the sides is also like a little bit more to the sides. You can do this. Make sure that you enable mirror so that both sides are moved. Like make these two dots a bit more straight and these ones a bit more like this. We'll play around with this a bit more later on. Now that you're done, all you have to do is select the brush tool and brush the halo that you want. Make sure that you have mirror selected. And now let's create our halo. We start at one point. Oops, my apologies for that. We start at one point and then try to draw a circle. You can actually draw any shape you want because it's the halo you want. So now you click control point and adjust the halo, making sure that mirror is still enabled. But if you do not disable it yet, just adjust to your liking. Once you're done and you have sort of the shape you want, just add little details. You can mess around with the hair parameters to add more complex designs, or just like experiment with designs. Once you have your desired halo shape, now it's time to make sure that it actually looks like a halo. Because if you look at it this way, it looks fine. However, if we go to the side, it looks a bit fine, but it could be better. Now you can use the points to adjust the halo to be more to the shape that you want. As you can see, I want these points not to be upwards but to be inwards, sort of like going to her head. Once you have something to your desired taste, make sure that nothing was damaged and that everything looks fine. And that's it. That's how you create simple and yet stylish halos. Best of all, if you go to Camera Exporter and let's go to Pose and Animations. If I hit on Standby, you can see that the halo is rigged to the head. So you don't have to worry about putting it in an external program and bringing it back again. You just have to do the halo and done. And that's it. That's how you create those simple halos. And they're very good looking too. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to get notified for more tutorials. Bye bye.